As a homeowner in Loves Park, keeping your windows in excellent condition is an essential part of maintaining the overall comfort and energy efficiency of your home. Windows not only affect your home's appearance but also play a significant role in insulation, security, and energy savings. Whether you have vinyl, wood, fiberglass, or aluminum windows, proper maintenance is key to ensuring their longevity and optimal performance. In this article, we'll discuss the best practices for maintaining your windows in Loves Park, helping you protect your investment and keep your windows functioning smoothly for years to come. Regular cleaning and inspection. Cleaning your windows is one of the simplest and most effective ways to maintain them. Over time, dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on the glass and frames, potentially affecting their performance and appearance. Cleaning the glass. Use a mild, non-abrasive glass cleaner to remove dirt and streaks. Avoid harsh chemicals, as they can damage the window's surface over time. For natural cleaning, a mixture of vinegar and water works great for removing grime and leaving your windows sparkling. Always use a soft cloth or microfiber towel to prevent scratching. Cleaning the frames and sills. The window frames and sills are often overlooked but can accumulate debris and moisture, leading to potential problems like mold growth or rot, especially in the wet climate of Loves Park. Wipe down the frames and sills with a damp cloth and dry them thoroughly afterward to prevent water damage. Inspecting for damage. While cleaning your windows, take the opportunity to inspect them for any signs of damage, such as cracks, chips, or signs of wear around the seals. Early detection of issues allows for quick repairs and prevents further damage. Inspect and maintain weather stripping. Weather stripping is crucial for ensuring that your windows are energy efficient. It prevents drafts from entering your home, helping to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and reducing your heating and cooling costs. Check for wear and tear. Over time, weather stripping can degrade, crack, or peel away from the window frame. Inspect the weather stripping annually and replace it if necessary. If you feel drafts coming through your windows or notice temperature fluctuations, it could be a sign that your weather stripping needs replacement. Apply sealant. If the weather stripping is still intact but not sealing properly, consider applying a silicone-based sealant around the edges of the window frame. This can help create a tighter seal and improve energy efficiency. Lubricate moving parts. Windows that open and close, such as sliding windows or casement windows, rely on hinges, locks, and tracks to function properly. Regular lubrication of these moving parts helps prevent them from sticking or becoming damaged over time. Lubricate tracks and hinges. Use a silicone-based lubricant on the window's tracks, hinges, and locking mechanisms. Avoid oil-based lubricants, as they can attract dust and grime, which can cause friction and damage the parts. A well-lubricated window will open and close smoothly, ensuring ease of use. Clean tracks regularly. Dirt and debris can build up in the tracks of sliding windows or doors, making them harder to open and close. Clean the tracks with a soft brush or vacuum, and then apply a small amount of lubricant to keep them moving freely. Check and repair window seals. The seals around your windows are critical for preventing drafts and moisture infiltration. If the seals are damaged or compromised, it can lead to a loss of insulation and potential water damage. Inspect for gaps and cracks. Look around the edges of your windows for signs of damage to the seals. If you notice gaps, cracks, or moisture buildup between the panes of double-glazed windows, it could be a sign that the seal has failed. In this case, you may need to replace the window to restore its insulation properties. Replace damaged seals. If the seal around your windows is worn out, it's essential to replace it. Many window manufacturers offer replacement seals, or a professional window repair service can help restore your window's integrity. Protect your windows from the elements. Redmond's climate can be hard on your windows, particularly during the wet winter months. Water damage, sun exposure, and temperature fluctuations can affect the performance and appearance of your windows. Keep gutters clean. Clogged gutters can cause water to overflow and run down the sides of your windows, leading to moisture damage. Regularly clean your gutters and downspouts to ensure proper water drainage away from your windows. Protect wooden windows. If you have wooden windows, ensure they are properly sealed and repainted every few years to protect them from moisture and UV rays. This prevents wood rot, peeling paint, and fading. Use a weather-resistant paint or stain to preserve the wood and maintain the window's appearance. Regular professional inspections. While regular DIY maintenance is essential, it's also a good idea to schedule professional inspections of your windows every few years. A window professional can spot issues that may not be immediately obvious, such as hidden water damage, structural issues, or problems with the window's insulation. Professional inspections are particularly important for double or triple glazed windows, as they can check for seal failure, fogging, or condensation between the panes. Early detection and repair can prevent costly replacements and improve the longevity of your windows. Replace damaged windows promptly. Sometimes, windows may become so damaged that repairs are no longer effective. If you have cracked or broken glass, or if the frame is severely compromised, replacing the window entirely may be necessary. Addressing issues early on ensures that your home remains safe and energy efficient. Conclusion. Maintaining your windows in Love's Park is essential for ensuring their longevity, improving your home's energy efficiency, and keeping your home comfortable year-round. Regular cleaning, weather stripping checks, lubrication of moving parts, seal maintenance, and professional inspections are all essential tasks for window upkeep. By staying proactive with your window maintenance, you can enjoy long-lasting windows that contribute to a beautiful, energy-efficient, and secure home. If you need assistance or professional help with any window repairs or replacements, don't hesitate to reach out to a trusted local window expert. They can ensure your windows are in top condition for years to come.